What's up? Today we are playing Shake and Gun. Okay. Let's play. Bruh. I know they're gonna be a pro. Yeah. Me va. Mato. Voy mato. El pro. He died. Who's in? Oh. Okay. Oh, he died. Oh, for sure. Who's flying that? Who's flying? Holy shit, I see someone. I sure see someone. Yeah, oh no. He destroyed my dude. Oh my god. Is that you? Oh my god, who's flying? No, You get a better luck, trying to get a better luck, my man. My dude thinks he's the pro. But I think he's the pro. Bit. I'm about to say the B word. Nah, bro. I ain't doing that. Oh, no. I got to die. Little man. Nonsense. Bing. And go died. Oh, is he still floating? My dude's still floating? Let's go see him. My dude's done. My dude's AFK. Nah, my dude is a hacker. Nah. Yeah. I'm about to rake her. Oh! He suck. Yeah. Oh, good. Oh my god. Barely 50 charge you out time. Dumb. Ah! Hey, you ain't doing this, my man. He suck. Suck my ass. I've been underwater. No one. Oh yeah, they can kill me. Ah! Give me out. Camera. Bye, camera. What are you doing right there? Who is she? Oh my god. Ah! 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 Yeah, dude, this is good. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm never gonna cut. I'm not gonna die. Don't die, don't die. Oh! Yeah! He thought he could kill me. But that he could kill me. Let's go right there. But can I see? Oh my god, 2 damage! Oh my god. Don't ask what I did. Don't ask what I did. Someone's calling my back. Wait, I gotta do something. Bye.